Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Crypto. And today, we are going to be taking a look at Bitcoin Cash. I am going to show you what the project is all about, how to buy BCH, some of the best wallets to use, and more. Remember to hit that subscribe notification button to get notified when we cover our next whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Bitcoin Cash was created with the intention of fulfilling the original promise of Bitcoin as a low-fee, peer-to-peer electronic cash system and enables individuals and businesses with unrestricted growth, global adoption, permissionless innovation, and decentralized development. It is one of the biggest altcoins currently available, and there is a fixed supply of only 21 million coins, making Bitcoin Cash a hard asset, like land or gold. This creates short and long-term investment opportunities in digital assets for individuals and businesses worldwide. This decentralized peer-to-peer electronic cash system does not rely on any central authority like a government or financial institution, and it aims to fundamentally redesign the nature of money in society. So who created Bitcoin Cash? Bitcoin Cash was started by Bitcoin miners and developers who wanted to secure the future of the Bitcoin cryptocurrency and its ability to scale effectively. No single group or project can control Bitcoin Cash because it is resistant to political and social attacks on protocol development. Many popular and trusted exchanges offer Bitcoin Cash trading pairs, including Binance and Poloniex, so you don't need to trade your BCH for Bitcoin to make a trade. Instead, you can directly trade Bitcoin Cash for your altcoins. You never have to ask for permission to use Bitcoin Cash when you hold it in a non-custodial wallet, and it can be moved around without waiting for third parties to approve transactions. You can send your Bitcoin Cash wherever you want, whenever you want, and the fees will always be consistently low. The safest form of storage is a trusted crypto wallet with good ratings to avoid the theft of assets, the loss of access keys, and so that you know you truly own the coins and tokens that you purchase. Some of the top 3 best wallets that you can use with Bitcoin Cash and to store BCH include Electron Cash, because it is convenient and it can be used as a desktop and mobile wallet, and it is compatible with multiple operating systems. Also, to add some security, the platform has multi-sig functionality and it gives you control of your private keys. Next is the Sugi wallet, which secures your crypto assets and private keys by storing them offline, but they will be on the device at all times. It is protected by a PIN code, and it allows you to use cryptocurrency just like you would use bank cards. What's even better is that the platform cannot block your funds or even touch them. The last wallet is the Coinbase wallet, which will verify you before you can start trading, and it is a regulated platform with a secure wallet. It also comes with 2FA factor authentication for protection, so your account and funds are always safe. What do we like about Bitcoin Cash? The Bitcoin Cash protocol ensures there will never be more than 21 million coins in existence, which combats the way governments consistently print and inflate money to devalue your savings and the value of money in general. With Bitcoin Cash, you can send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, and you never need anyone's permission or approval to do the transactions. Many merchants offer discounts for paying in Bitcoin Cash because it eliminates credit card fees and helps grow the adoption of this new payment system. Blockchains guarantee greater transparency and integrity than traditional forms of asset accounting and trading, and are an innovative alternative for storing and managing digital assets. Bitcoin Cash remains free to use by anyone without censorship because identities are not tied to transactions. Bitcoin Cash enables reliable, fast, and affordable transactions of any value, regardless of location, including cross-border transactions. The platform is involved with several exciting projects, including Flipstarter and Give Crypto, and can be bought and sold on many popular exchanges, some of which are regulated brokers. There are a growing number of use cases for Bitcoin Cash, and it is compatible with more than 20 secure wallets, integrates with 6 blockchains, and is accepted as a form of payment by nearly 50 international merchants, excluding local businesses in countries that have already adopted it as a payment method. If you are interested and would like to learn more or get involved in the project, be sure to follow the links in the description. And that is our overview of Bitcoin Cash. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comment section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.